I think any university, any group of scholars that is serious about its research has to find fora in which that research, and more specifically the progress of that research, can be discussed. What is much more, in some ways just as important, is that proper support is given to colleagues, especially younger colleagues, but in fact all of us, even someone like myself who's been doing this job for rather too long, that we have a context in which to discuss the development of our ideas, and we're able to receive intelligent, informed feedback on what we're doing. It's the kind of work that we do in the humanities is quite solitary in that fundamentally we're there with our ideas, our books, our computers, our pens and papers, and we get on with the work. And that the danger always is of, when one works alone, is of becoming isolated, of actually also beginning to lack critical perspective on what you're doing. So the first function of the research seminar is that we establish a forum where we can discuss our research in progress. The second important function is for the graduate students. I see the research seminars as part of a larger sort of development that I'm working on within the way in which we treat our graduate students, so that we prepare them much more broadly and in a much more professionalized way for what is becoming increasingly a difficult and hugely competitive job market. So that what the aim is to ensure that our students, our graduate students, are better prepared than any other group of graduate students in Italian in North America and hopefully in Europe too. And the research seminars is both a space where they can present their own research in an environment which is supportive, but also a context where they can see how others who have more experience than they have both get it right but also get it wrong in presenting their research. Thirdly, it's a way in which we ensure that the community of Italianists here at Notre Dame has a place where they can regularly meet. And this is all part of our endeavor to ensure that Notre Dame is constantly dialoguing with the best minds in our subject.